this is Nathaniel, and today we'll be learning how to make a keychain in Tinkercad. First, you want to start off with the box. You want to make it to the right height. Let's do 1/4. That looks good. And our grid. If your grid is already on millimeters, you want to switch it to inches, unless you like millimeters. I'm going to switch it to 1/64 so it can be super precise. We can adjust this to be about the right size. Let's do it with whole numbers because I don't like fractions. There we go. Okay. So you can leave it like this. You can cut out a circle, or I'm gonna make it fancy, and we're gonna cut out the part here, but then we're going to attach this so it can be a nice little loop. But first we have to cut out this area. Let's make it, see how. Okay, 1.4. Let's adjust it. 1.4. And then this is going to be 1.4. And then you can use your up, down, left, right keys to move it back and forth, and you can zoom in to see how close you're getting. There we go, that looks about right. Now we're going to select these two, and when you group them, it'll cut out this little hole here. And with that, we're going to put this right here. We're going to make it the exact same. We're going to put 1.4. We can move this to fit right inside of there. That looks about good. Now let's make it the same height. This is 1/4. So we'll make this. And if this is in the way, you can always move it up. Let's make this 1/4. Okay, now they are the same. And if you don't want them sliding all over the place, you can go like this. And as long as it's not a hole, it won't cut it out. And they'll be grouped. And now this is one shape. This is one shape right here. And if you can add any decorations, there's so many choices. Star, heart, you can add anything you can make. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's move it, let's center it. And to change it into the right, into what you want, I'm just going to leave it as text. Let's do, text. You can change the font. Change this one. Ooh. You can make it super high, or you can make it super low. I'm going to keep it as this. And you can have it pop out. You could put like your name on this. You could have it pop out, or you can carve it into it. And that's what I'm going to do. If you want to carve it in, make it into a hole so that when you group it, it'll cut it out. And you can make it, if you cut all the way through, you'll have really thin lines, and like the E here, that'll just fall out. So you don't want it to go all the way through. But, I have 26 seconds left in my video. And so we have that, and we'll carve it back in, and then we can group it. There you go. That is your keychain.